Thank you. Well, Jay, I would say today's a good day to get on a scooter, follow the rules, or an electric bike. What do you think?
I was just thinking, well, always follow the rules on those things. But yeah, get it in while you can because changes are coming.
Finally.
Supposedly.
Finally.
Heard it before.
We haven't talked about changes in a while.
That's true.
Right?
But
Hot today, though.
Hot today, but I have a special alert that we have for tomorrow. It is a flannel alert.
Oh my God.
That's for you, Jay. So get those sweaters and get those flannels ready because by the end of this week, we're actually going to have mornings that'll be in the 40s, but for some of us, going to be in the upper 30s. That is part of the weather story that we're going to be talking about this morning. But happy Monday. Here we go. A brand new week ahead. And I can tell you, stepping out the door this morning, it's pretty comfortable. A lot of 50s out there. Even a few 40s we'll see as we get towards sunrise. But temperatures this afternoon, just like the last couple of days, although not as hot as yesterday and Saturday, we are still going to be in the 80s for one more day today. And that is going to be before we have our Big 10 weather impact changes. So what are we looking at? Again, today is going to have that summer feel still. As we go into Tuesday, we have chances of rain and storms in the forecast. And right after this front falls, it's going to be some big drops in our afternoon highs and even our morning lows. So I want to take the time now and really walk you through the hour by hour. Today, you're going to notice a few showers possible. Most of us, though, will remain dry. The big thing I think you'll notice will be more clouds out there. So this is 12:30. Again, you can see very few and far between. By later tonight, we start to see more clouds come in. And then the rain begins just after midnight on the current track. So this will start off as lighter rain for us. Now, as we go into your commute time for Tuesday, models are kind of going back and forth between when the most intense rain will come through. So I would definitely plan for a soggy bus stop forecast for the kids and for your commute to work. Could have some heavy downpours at times, some isolated thunderstorms here. This is 7 o'clock right here. Little bits of breaks here and there, but then continuous rain for us for most of Tuesday. You can see as we get into after the 9 o'clock hour, that's when it does look to get a little bit more intense for us. Some heavier downpours, gusty winds possible with any storms that form. Even still raining for many of us at noon. And then even into the time the kids are heading home from school, this is definitely going to be a washout. We haven't had a day like this in a while, but you can also see by about 8 o'clock, we could have a secondary round of showers and thunderstorms as we go into the evening, and then guess what? It is done. But as far as rain goes, it does look like we could get some heavier totals, and if this is all on track with some of the most intense bands, we could pick up a few inches of rain. Now, that's not enough. That will get rid of the drought situation, but we definitely need that. Now, you can see after the rain on Tuesday, we dry right back out again. The next noticeable thing is the plunge in temperatures on Wednesday. You'll really feel it Thursday morning.